Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today we are having a 150 subscriber giveaway, and I will be going over the rules and showing you what prizes are in the giveaway in just a minute. But hi, hello, if you are new to my channel, it is a great time for you to subscribe. We talk about makeup and agoraphobic subjects on this channel. If you are into, if you are into one or the other or both of those topics, then I highly recommend you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. And if you're interested in this giveaway, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, and welcome to the giveaway. Okay, first of all, we're going to go over the rules. Okay, first, you need to be subscribed to my channel, and second, you need to like this video, please, and third, you need to be 18 or older or have your parents' permission, and fourth, you need to leave a comment, and in the comment, I need you to leave the word eyeshadow. That way I know that you watched this video, at least this far. So, any comment, just leave the word eyeshadow or eyeshadows. And, yeah, this is an international giveaway. So, yeah, let's get on to the prizes. And I did end up getting in contact with the 100 giveaway winner, and that's all sent off and all good, and she should be receiving her prizes soon. So that's all great and dandy. So first of all, we have this train case that you can put your makeup in. It is very nice and handy. This I do not know the prices on, so I don't have a total estimated value for all of this, but I do have some prices down in the description box of some of these items. So that is a very pretty pink bag for you to keep your makeup in. Second of all, I have the Saints and Sinners Divine Dry Finish Texture Spray. So this is a dry shampoo spray. Let me turn down the lights some so you can see this better. That is a full-size bottle of finishing spray. And next I have a mini beauty blender here in the shape, and this is the brand Beauty Blender in the color yellow, and it comes in a little container. And next, I can personally vouch for this because I love this product. It is the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. It has 8 super orange essence. This is a very light, a very light polishing mask. What else can I say? So it leaves your skin feeling very nice afterwards. And I think it has a nice smell to it. It has pumpkin, turmeric, papaya, grapefruit, ginger, carrot, honey and orange in it. And exfoliate, that's what I'm talking about. It's very gentle exfoliation. Next I have from Bauble Bar, and I don't know the prices on these, but I know that Bauble Bar does not sell cheap stuff. These 3 sets of earrings here, hoop earrings. These look like they have little pearls on them. These look like that there. And these are just hoops with a little thing on them right there. So, I know they're not, I don't know if they're like 24 karat gold or anything like that, but I know they're not just crap jewelry, because I know Bauble Bar sells very high quality jewelry. And then from Dragun Beauty, we have a little lavender color corrector. This color corrects yellow on your skin. So wherever you have yellow, like around your eyes or under your eyes, something like that, you would put this and rub it in and then put over your foundation. Now, if you find yourself like, well, I don't need that, well, maybe you can pass it on to a friend, or I would suggest selling it on the internet or with any of this stuff. Hey, it's up to you if you win it. Next of all, we have StudioMakeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow in the color gold. So this is gold. Now, I've been reading up on this. This is not completely opaque, so you might need to double up on it, or like if you like sheer, or use it as a topper or something like that. But it is a cream eyeshadow, and it did get good reviews from where I saw it at. And we're seeing this again. It is the Tarte Sugar Rush Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil in the color Fresh Pressed. It is a lip oil, and it looks like that. And next of all, I have another set of nails from Tarte Beauty. These are just all one color. It is a very dark red color, and kind of ombre-ish to black at the top, I would say. It's very hard to tell. But they are at least all a very dark reddish color. And it is very pretty. So we've got those. And then for palettes, we've got the Hipdot Zion palette. Right there. It's a very beautiful palette. I own it myself. And that is the color story on it. And the next palette, I think you're going to be blown away by. I have it on order for me, so I haven't tried it out yet. But I've seen lots of good reviews on it. and it is the Shadow Kiss by Alter Ego. Have you heard of it? Let's see if I can get it open. Alter Ego is known for their dupe palette, and this is a dupe palette for the Natasha Denona Glam palette. Now, it does not dupe the formula, but it does dupe the shades. And it pretty much has all the shades in that palette duped right here for you. So if you did not buy the Natasha Denona Glam palette, then this is your dupe palette that you need to have. So it has all the beautiful colors in it, all the cool toned colors. Let me just show you again. It is a beautiful palette. Let's see, I got one on order for me. I'm going to do a first impression on it. Well, I just think it's a showstopper palette. So that is everything. Whoops. That is everything that will be in this giveaway. Again, you need to be subscribed to the channel. Give this video a like. Leave a comment with the word eyeshadow or eyeshadows. Be 18 or over. Be 18 over and over or over, whatever. Or have your parents' permission. And sorry about that. And yeah, hopefully we will pick, the end date will be a week from today. On Tuesday, August 3rd will be the end, when I will pick a winner randomly from the comments with a random comment picker. And that is all. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, this is international. I hope y'all like all this stuff, and let the games begin. Good luck to all of you, and I hope y'all are having a wonderful day out there, and if not, I hope this cheered you up a little bit. Yeah, but if you're having a rough time, remember out there to stay strong, and stay healthy, and stay safe, and I will see you soon, okay? Alright, goodbye.